detained?
Yes, you are being detained right now.
Down on the ground right now!
Y'all just trying to kill me! I can't breathe!
22-year-old Jordan Kennedy enters a gas station and selects multiple charging cables, waits in line, and attempts to pay with his phone's wallet. But the clerk tells him that the payment doesn't go through, so Kennedy proceeds to walk backwards and take several additional chargers and exits the store. The clerk shortly follows Kennedy outside and attempts to stop him when Kennedy pulls out a box cutter. This is the body camera footage of the responding officers who located Kennedy a few hundred feet from the gas station.
No, come here. Come here. Am I being detained? Yes, you are being detained right now. You're being detained. What's wrong with you? Hey. 22, I got one running across 132. Black jeans, a light colored shirt. Police, stop! You're under arrest! We're going towards I-94, going westbound. He's going towards Great Wolf now. Whoever's driving that car, he's right there.
Get down! Down on the ground right now! I'll tase your ass. Get down! Hands back! Put your hands back! Put your hands back! Bring your hands out! Bring your hands out! Bring your hands out!
I got the cuffs. I can't breathe.
Alright, we'll get out of here in a second.
I can't breathe.
You can breathe, man. I'm not on your head.
Sit down.
I can't breathe.
Let go.
Man.
Nobody's on your head.
Nah, fool.
There we go.
You knew what the fuck that was? Bitch ass nigga. You know what the fuck that was? You too, nigga.
81, we got one.
Nigga. Fuck you. Like I said, you were being detained. Then you ran. Do not spit on me, you'll get more charges. Okay? You just trying to kill me. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Y'all just trying to fucking kill me. You realize that, right? Cause you mad. How would you do that? Cause you mad. What the fuck you so mad about? Why was I even being detained? You matched the description of somebody who just committed an armed robbery. What? You mean match the description? That's a lie. You lying, bro. That one wasn't a lie, actually, but that first one, you know what you're trying to do. I was trying to constrict my blood flow. All right, you're trying to conflict my blood flow. What? What? Stay on your side. Help! Help! They're killing me. Help! They're killing me. Come on.
All right.
Come on, man.
Relax. Hey.
Take them off, gang.
Coming off.
Take them. They're too tight.
On your side and you calm
They're
down.
too tight.
Hey, you're all right.
Take them off.
You're breathing, you're fine.
Now you just fucking untying them, you pussy.
Calm down.
You know you're trying to kill me.
No, we're not.
No one wants to kill you. Dude, you stole some cords.
22. Other units can slow down.
You screwed up, buddy. You screwed up.
Okay, buddy.
Take a breath.
You're killing me again.
Hey, you got anything that's gonna poke me or hurt me? Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me or hurt me? No? Yes or no? Got a knife, anything on you?
Hey, let me catch my breath. Stop pushing on me.
Boy, you have to keep on holding.
Trying to crush my lungs. Yeah, leave you. Let's go with you. Shut up. Don't need to support me. I can sit the fuck up, you retard. God.
What's wrong with you?
That's why I'm gonna spit in your pussy ass face. Oh, bro. Why the hell did y'all chase me? You didn't even tell me I was being detained.
I did.
What?
Not yet, no. So, I know they're working. Which I'll take for photos and stuff. So.
I'd like to make a phone call. Alright, I need to make a phone call. They're putting shit on me. Restricting my blood flow. With the fucking bag.
Dude, calm down.
Take it off. Stop fucking with me.
Alright, stop grabbing your
Why are you trying to suffocate me? My brain needs oxygen, you stupid fucks. Pumping me with fentanyl, probably. Oh, bro. Yeah. That nigga's poking me.
Dude,
Look at that.
Stop resisting. Calm down. You got an idea or wallet on you at all? Or no?
Don't worry. I think it was on the left side of it.
You got an idea or wallet on?
Oh, just in case.
Okay, I'm just asking. It is in your bag.
Holding my veins. Stop
it! I'm trying to take the
Help!
dude, just cut the thing off.
Niggas are killing me.
So you got scissors? Just cut it.
Nigga, stop. What the fuck?
Just snip
Stop
it.
trying to suffocate me, please.
No.
Help.
Hold on, I'm tight.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Help.
Go,
Alone. I can hold you right here. I can hold you right here. No, please. Stop. Let me stand up. At least let me stand up. I don't want your fucking face first. Come on, man.
Doesn't matter. Stop resisting.
Stop. Let it go. You're killing me. They're holding it. Help.
Alright, just relax.
Yep. Alright, you got plenty of room on your hands, bro. Oh, they got it?
No, I threw my key somewhere over here.
What key?
My handcuff key.
Why would you do that? Look, it's doing.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Okay.
Let it go,
Alright,
please.
I'll,
Let it go.
you pat him down yet?
Help! They're holding my blood. Stop squeezing my arm. They're fucking, what the fuck?
Hey, Robert, switch out with me.
Stop! They're trying to kill me! Stop, please! Please stop! Let me go! Stop! No, can you let me go, you dumbass? Can you stop fucking holding my blood? They're squeezing my veins! Stop squeezing me! Stop!
Alright, look.
No!
We're walking right here.
No! They're trying to trip me. Oh my god. Please. I need to make a phone call. You left my phone. Stop squeezing me. Please stop. Help me. Stop
Inside.
squeezing me so hard. Stop squeezing me so hard, bro. You are.
Right back in this spot. Alright, you guys got this? Yeah, we're good.
After the foot chase, Kennedy was driven back to the store where the clerk was able to positively identify him. On his person, officers found a crack pipe wherein Kennedy admitted to smoking crack earlier that day. A public defender for Kennedy said his client was previously in the National Guard and is seeking admission to a college for chemical engineering. The attorney said Kennedy has no criminal history.